The erabros RS1 Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner is designed with a direct suction feature that efficiently collects dust, hair, debris, and pet fur directly into the dustbin, eliminating the need for cleaning tangled brush rollers and making it a perfect choice for homes with pets. With an automatic recharging feature, the RS1 ensures continuous cleaning by returning to the charging dock when the battery is low or the cleaning task is completed, supporting 2.4G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Boasting a powerful suction power, the vacuum cleaner effortlessly picks up pet hair, food, and cat litter scattered around on multiple surfaces like hard floors, carpets, and rug areas, simplifying the home cleaning process. The low-profile design of less than 3 inches allows the RS1 to access and clean hard-to-reach areas like underbeds and furniture, ensuring a thorough deep clean that's often difficult with other cleaning tools. Equipped with a 4400 mAh Li-ion battery, the RS1 offers a runtime of up to 140 minutes, providing more complete coverage for entire home cleaning. The RS1 can be controlled via the Tuya Smart or Smart Life App, Google Assistant, or Alexa, and also comes with a remote control for convenience, while its anti-fall and anti-collision sensors ensure a careful cleaning process by avoiding ledges, stairs, furniture, and walls.